Hi everyone, welcome to Math. Today we are going to study chapter 7 triangles, theorem 7.2. So before that, let's see in the introduction part 3, when we studied about the properties of the triangle, I told you in isosceles triangle meaning is what? Any two sides will be equal. So that triangle we call it isosceles triangle. So if this is an isosceles triangle where two sides are equal, so if two sides are equal, then their opposite side the angle that is formed, so this opposite side is angle is here. So if two sides are equal means their opposite side, the angle formed also will be equal to each other. So this is what we have studied in this isosceles triangle property when we studied. So that's what we are going to prove now here in theorem 7.2. So theorem 7.2 says that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangles are equal. So that we are going to prove that it is true that when two sides are equal, then the angle that is formed the opposite side also will be equal. So how? So let's see. So we have a triangle ABC. Consider this is the isosceles triangle. So if it is theorem, first we have to write what is given to us. Okay. So what is given to us is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is given to us. If this is isosceles triangle, that means any two side will be equal. So let's consider AB is equal to AC. Okay, so I have just colored it. AB is equal to AC. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that is opposite angle that is formed. So opposite to this side is this angle, opposite to this side is this side. Okay, so we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. So let's do some construction now because we have to prove that. So we are constructing a bisector. Okay, a bisector from A to BC. Okay, so we are constructing a bisector. Okay, constructing from point or from angle, or construct a bisector of angle A. Okay, so angle A bisector meaning is what? Meaning is this angle is equally divided. So this angle A is equally divided. So that means this part and this part is equally divided. So that's the meaning of it. So now two triangles are formed. We have triangle AB. Let's name it this as a D. So we have triangle ABD is one triangle. Then ACD is another triangle. So two triangles are formed. So we have construct a bisector of angle A such that we have triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay, so let's begin to prove now. Proof. So how to prove? Let's take this two triangle. In this two triangle, just you see here what are the things we have in common. Already in this two triangle we know AB is equal to AC. So in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, we have AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC because it is given to us. Then also we have now AD is a common here. If you see, AD is common. So let's keep it that. We have these two sides we have. Let's come to this angle. This angle and this angle will be equal because it is equally divided. So that means angle BAC, angle CAD will be equal. So angle BAD will be equal to angle CAD. So these two angles will be equal. because we have constructed, right? By construction. Now next, these two sides are equal and then this also is equal to this side. Now AD is common for both the triangles. This is a common thing, so it will be equal only. So AD will be equal to AD because it is common for both the triangle. So now you see, we have this side equal to this side, we have this angle equal to this angle, then we have this side which is equal to this side. So side angle side, side angle side rule, can we say both are congruent, both are identical? So therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by side angle side criteria. By this criteria, you see, this is side, this is angle, and this is side. So side angle side criteria, we prove that both the triangles are congruent. So if both the triangles are congruent, then angle B becomes equal to angle C, because when we say these two triangles are identical, then the remaining parts, remaining angle, remaining sides all becomes the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So corresponding parts also will be equal because both are identical, means remaining part all will be the same. So therefore angle B becomes equal to angle C by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Hence proved. So we have proved that if in an isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite side of their angles also will be equal. So we have proved. That's it. Thank you and God bless you.